Hi, welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Thursday the 16th of July with me, which Pro Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to gold, and this gold continues to fall away actually. 4 days in a row ever since the Greek debt deal was seemed to have been sorted out. Gold has been falling. Gold is considered to be a safe haven, I suppose, although in the run-up it hadn't really been acting too much of a safe haven, but certainly it's under pressure again now since the dollar is starting to strengthen again. It looks like it's pressurising the 42.85 key March low now. That pressure yesterday, intraday 43.40 was the low, so certainly is under pressure, and again today the reaction is negative. I'm still a little bit mindful of the fact that you've got these recent candles that have been strongly bearish, but then into the close you've had a rally that's sort of seen the closing price around the midpoint of the day. And if you look on the intraday chart, you'll still see that there is negative pressure in lower lows pretty much in the last a week or so. Actually, if you zoom out, to be honest, it's over the past few weeks, consistently selling pressure seems to be coming through and using rallies as a chance to sell. I mean, you'd be looking on this chart and saying, well, every time the RSI on the hourly chart gets back towards the sort of 50s area, it tends to fall away, and that gives you that little selling opportunity. MACD lines are negatively configured as well. Stochastics, again, around the midpoint, tends to fall over, and certainly in the last couple of days anyway. So you'd say that selling continues on this chart, and a retest of that 1142 low is going to be seen. Now, underneath that, you've got the key November low of 1131.85. Now, that is a massive, dates back to 2010. So you'd be looking out for support to come in around that, and certainly the longer term chart is still very negative. Selling into strength remains in force. So any sort of intraday rally you get, I think should be looked at as a chance to sell, but no real incentive here for the bulls. But the only really thing that I'm sort of a little bit mindful of is the fact that in 2 days out of the past 3, we've had selling pressure that's sort of resulted in bound into the close, which suggests the bulls are not entirely in control of this one, but still you'd say that it's one's going lower, and again today seems to be the pressure is onto the downside. So you're trading on gold today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.